Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Capital's exclusive analysis. Today we're going to discuss some of the earnings that are taking place after hours. Lululemon, a household name, reporting earnings and gapping down in the after hours. Lululemon did report EPS and revenue. EPS beat came in at $3.10 versus the estimate of $2.85. Revenue came in at $2.53 billion, lower than the estimate of $2.54 billion. What is happening to Lululemon? It is gapping down here in the after hours. Now, the question is, what type of forward guidance are they going to be giving? In terms of their next Q3 2025 earnings in 91 days, revenue estimate is $2.55 billion and EPS is $2.92. Now, a couple key interesting observations that I want to bring to your attention about Lululemon. This is a new 52-week low when their entire retail sector has pretty much been posting strong earnings. You look at basically VSCO here, Victoria's Secret, VSCO, Victoria's Secret today, gapping up to the high side. You've had strong earnings from Nike, although it has gotten faded a little bit. They did post a strong gap up on their print. You look at a name like VFC, which has had a nice little breakout and going through a bit of a bull flag pattern here. So across the board, the majority of retail stocks are doing quite well. But when it comes to Lululemon, new 52-week lows, and full disclosure, I just started a long common share position. This is going to be a free trade idea, not financial advice, but just a free trade idea. I did accumulate some common shares off of the 178.90 area, and I'm going to tell you why. There's really two main reasons, one technical, one fundamental reason. So the technical reason for Lululemon, okay, we have now retested a major COVID volume area. This is a capitulation zone and this is a bullish breakout zone. You have a gap fill that was obviously filled because you reversed bullishly, but you had a gap fill on the capitulation side of COVID, which is a high volume zone, and then you had a gap up on the bullish side reversal. So there's two massive weekly chart gap fills here for Lululemon. Could the stock go lower? Yes, but you have to start taking your chances somewhere. And obviously, the company is slashing their annual sales profit forecast and demand tariff woes, according to Reuters. But nevertheless, Lululemon is making sense even on a fundamental basis. Sure, in Wall Street don't like when revenue starts to decline, but when you look at how cheap Lululemon is, if we show